मास्टरकार्ड एंड वीजा ये दोनों मिलके दे आर गोइंग टू पुट द बिटकॉइन इनटू द वर्ल्ड मैप। ये दोनों पेमेंट जायंट्स सोच ही लिया है कि सून और लेटर द वर्ल्ड विल डेफिनेटली रिस्पॉन्ड टू बिटकॉइन, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट जनरेशन इन मे बी इन 5 to 10 years जो नेक्स्ट जनरेशन आ रहा है they all will be in Bitcoin, they all will be a big believer of Bitcoin, क्योंकि जो ग्रेट ट्रांसफर ऑफ वेल्थ मतलब एक जनरेशन से स्टार्ट होकर दूसरा जनरेशन पे जो वेल्थ ट्रांसफर इट हैज बीन हैपनिंग सिंस लास्ट 10 years वो ऑलरेडी एक एंड पे है। मतलब एक नया जनरेशन स्टार्ट हो रहा है। 1990 से लेके 2005 तक जितना लोग उस टाइम जोन पे जन्म लिया है दैट इज गोइंग टू होल्ड द नेक्स्ट generation in this world, and that entire generation they are already heavily invested into Bitcoin. So this Visa and Mastercard they are doing whatever they can to bring Bitcoin into mainstream. So recently Visa के नाम पे तो बहुत कुछ सुना है, FTX पार्टनरशिप कर रहा है, खुद Visa Bitcoin and blockchain पे इन्वेस्ट कर रहा है, ऐसे बहुत कुछ सुना था। लेकिन Mastercard recently has joined that race. So Mastercard ने Paxos ये एक regulated, well licensed एक cryptocurrency exchange है, तो behalf of the bank Mastercard is choosing that particular exchange. This is just the beginning. Mastercard is choosing that. So Mastercard has decided जितना भी well established, licensed and registered exchanges है वो सारे exchanges को टीम पे लेगा and they will be working behalf of the bank, all these exchanges, and people can make the payment with Bitcoin and some other selective cryptocurrency assets. It's not like every cryptocurrency is going to be a part of it, but definitely there will be few names which will get included in that list. So Mastercard actually wants that consumer or the people who makes the payment, who is going to make the payment to something, they should have another alternative way to make their payment, and which is they mean the cryptocurrencies, the Bitcoin, Ethereum and few more other cryptocurrency assets. तो ये एक बहुत जल्दी mainstream होने वाला है. They are not waiting for any bear market to happen. They are not waiting for any recessions to happen. They knows that market पे already बहुत demand है, huge demand है, like huge number of investors, huge number of public, they are actually waiting for this kind of payment system happens in the mainstream. एंड साथ ही साथ ये अगर स्टार्ट हुआ देन बहुत सारे ऐसे न्यू इन्वेस्टर्स भी होंगे, उन लोगों को एक कॉन्फिडेंस मिलेगा। अगर कोई इंस्टीट्यूशंस, कोई मेन स्ट्रीम इंस्टीट्यूशंस इज प्रमोटिंग बिटकॉइन, इथेरियम एंड अदर क्रिप्टोकरेंसी एसेट्स, दे विल बी मच मोर इंक्लाइंड टू पुट सम मनी इनटू दैट एसेट क्लास। तो ये ना ही एक पेमेंट के लिए, एक एग्जिस्टिंग इन्वेस्टर्स के लिए पेमेंट का एक नया ऑप्शन होगा, साथ ही साथ जो लोग नॉन एग्जिस्टिंग, जो लोग ऑलरेडी सोच रहा है, just because they are afraid, they are not putting their money into Bitcoin and Ethereum, they will get much more confident and they will end up buying Bitcoin and Ethereum. So all over the corner, this is a great news for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. On the other side, the great investment guru, Mr. Larry Lepard, he believes that Bitcoin can hit $2 million per coin, not the market cap, bro. $2 million per coin in next 5 to 6 years. He also believes कि in next market cycle Bitcoin का जो top price होगा, which is somewhere around $200,000, and next bear market का जो bottom होगा, which will be somewhere around $35,000. But he also believes कि recent market का bottom अभी तक नहीं आया है. He is also declaring $14,000 per Bitcoin could be the next bottom. So let's just look into the chart. How strong is the possibility for Bitcoin to go and touch $14,000? So recently, last दिन का जो ट्रेड था, मतलब डे बिफोर का जो चार्ट ऑप्शन था, मैंने बोला था कि Bitcoin can touch this 19,500. Then we don't know कि कहाँ पे जाने वाला है. Now, according to this 4-hour candlestick chart, this can be a double bottom. 1, 2. Bigger the time frame, clearer the picture. So this can be a double bottom. So ये double bottom का ये है neckline. And जो target price है, ये double bottom अगर successful हुआ, then Bitcoin का जो next support line है, that is somewhere around 17,800. So easily, if this gets successful, then anyone can make a profit of 8.82, let's say 9% with the spot price, but with a 10% or more than 10% to 15% leverage, easily 100% gain on this downfall. अगर Bitcoin ये downfall हुआ. So now, what is next? अगर Bitcoin ये $17,000 का line है, ये miss किया, then definitely I believe Bitcoin first will drop till 17,300, then eventually it will get its first strong support near 16,800. Now I'm not sure about 14,000. 14,000 is this deep. I'm not sure about 14,000, but I'm definitely can take a call on 16,000. अगर इतना सब कुछ हुआ in between, then only it can happen. So let's say इससे पहले भी Bitcoin को एक बार support मिल चुका है from $16,000. So let's call this can be a genuine target price for next support for Bitcoin. अगर Bitcoin fails this 17,800, then 17,300. So that is the case. So that's it from my side, guys. Thank you for watching. This is Dave. Keep supporting BitBold by subscribing this. Share this video with your friends and family if you feel the same, that they could get some knowledge, some update from this video. Also be a part of our Twitter and Telegram handle, जिसका link video description पे मिल जाएगा. बहुत जल्दी मिलते हैं next update के साथ. Till then, take care. Dave signing off.